Deputy President naye aje aseme. Asante.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya and Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces, I've chosen to speak from here because there has been serious breach of protocol. The State Podium is reserved for the head of state, but I want to exonerate all those who have spoken there because it is the President himself who invited them to speak from there and breached protocol. And as a man who was in uniform, I politely declined the invitation by the President to break protocol, and I will speak from here. Those of us who work around the President, we have a very difficult task of overseeing the transformation of a hustler into a president. That is why the President is breaching protocol, because much as the hustler nation propelled one of them to State House, it is very difficult to get the hustler out of him. And that is why he is quite comfortable to get everybody to use the State Podium. Your Excellency, our President, today is a very important day for this country